Okay, in the last video we created our debug configurations that will allow us to launch our debug sessions. In this video we're going to launch both of these debug sessions and show you how Nav ICS presents debugging on two cores simultaneously. So to get started here, we created our debug configurations. I'll go ahead and bring that up again and show them right here and right here. So let's just grab this one and say debug. This will start the launch. You can see the launch progress down here. The console will start spitting out some information. And we'll let this go. Okay, we are launched. And what we've done here is we've switched to the debug perspective, and what we have here is our debug context window showing our first session running. And here it shows that thread 1 is currently running because we did an attach to running target. And if we look at our display over here, we can see, yes, in fact, it is running. So now the next we're gonna launch our second debug session. We've left the first one running and launched, and we're gonna come down here and launch this one. Click that, run it, and we can see that it's launching a new debug session here. Now we have two debug sessions listed here. We have one on core 0 v0, and we have another one on core 0 v1. Both are running. We can now select between these. So let's select core 0 v0 and we'll hit the pause button. Target will interrupt and it'll show us here this is the source code and the line we're executing right now, and it's interrupted. Down here we can see that the second device here, core 0 v1, is still running. We can also interrupt that device and show, and it's sitting down here in this code. We can easily just resume this device, basically have independent control over both devices now. Once we're done debugging, we can simply terminate that one and terminate this one. And there we have it, a brief example of how to debug two devices on a 1004K from Nav ICS.